What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So as you can see, the box is pretty small compared to the other AirPods that we unboxed, and for some reason I always see that little thing, but I don't know, it's probably the case or something. It's the humidity. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. We're going to go in. Oh man, I hate doing these because yeah, we're gonna have to do it either way because there's no way we're gonna unseal it from the box itself. But let's give it a shot. Let's see how it works out. So here we go. I guess it's secured, so we'll try to secure it this way again. You know me, I like to be weird, but I have a feeling it's gonna tear off from the other side. So I'm making it harder on myself. So there you go. I mean, we're able to do it normally. So as we get to it, we are looking at the things. No more sticker. 1-year warranty. Alright, so it turned us how to turn on the Bluetooth. And yeah, this is pretty brutal. And I'm gonna put this back here. And I'm noticing something weird. The smaller the box, so you know what that means, right? I guess we tore the box. Oh well. That's what I noticed. I guess we tore the box itself. So yeah, and how strange. There's no charging cord. Very interesting. Well, there goes our box. We tore. Oh well, doesn't matter. Yeah, that's weird. Literally, there's no charging cable. Oh well, they can deal with that. We'll deal with that later. So, and as you can see, it's not clear anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh wow, there's multiple. Either that or I guess we'll just slide it out. Or can we? What in the world? What's going on here? This is the most complicated box unboxing I've ever done. Is it like stuck in there? What the heck? Oh well, I'll just pull it out. I think we're doing more. I think we're doing more work than we're supposed to. So right off the back, check this out. USB-C, obvious. You know, we already moved into it. There's no pairing button. Interesting. Yeah, I'm freaked out. Well, here are the AirPods, and I think you pair them this way. I'm not sure. But they're in pairing mode right now. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah, they're about to be paired. So AirPods. Okay, as you can hear that, I already paired them easily. There's listening mode and personalization phone, and there's conversation awareness and not now. So I'm currently pairing them right now as we are. So they are connected. They have 35%. Um, they have most of this right here. AirPods, same thing like AirPods Pro 2, and they have most of the things that we're looking at. So same thing, it has active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, personalization audio. So this is pretty cool. Head gestures, I don't really like that on. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and check them out. Let's see how they sound. Apparently they're supposed to fit like really good. So these have like give me one moment. Alright, so we're looking at this new and improved what's in your response to moving your head and improve voice quality. Okay. No, we don't want that. So we're gonna check that out, and then I'm gonna actually put Dayseeker here because they've been on my playlist for a while. Yeah, apparently a little thing about the AirPods 4 is that they look like the AirPods 3, but slightly smaller, and I do notice that. I'm not sure if it's like the AirPods Pro 2 or do they click? No, they don't. So it's a slide up and slide down. So I'm looking at that around. That's the pause, and there is no volume button. It's not going up or down from what I see. I do hear, oh, that's to pause it. So let's check it out. Let's see how it sounds. That actually the biggest thing of me was is basically the bass. But we'll get back to most of the things right now that we see. Let's roll. All right, so nice bass. So its noise cancellation is on. Impressive. Okay. All right, so okay, the funny part. Uh, all right, the funny part is the off and the noise cancellation. They sound the same. I don't know. I'm like a hardcore audiophilist. I do notice a difference between like what is bass and what's not. But from the difference here on the thing, it's I can already tell. I'm gonna try to talk while I do this. So we'll do this. So it's sealed in though. I hear a little bit of bass. I'm gonna do transparency, adaptive, adaptive emotive. So so I do hear a difference between the regular AirPods 4 and the AirPods Pro 2. Obviously, the AirPods Pro 2 have deeper bass, more clear, crisp, versus these where they they're good. Their fit is amazing. If you're a big fan of not wearing any of and honestly, the way they're shaped, it seals off because right now I'm talking and it's literally like AirPods Pros 2, but without the thing. Where's the sensor? I think it's right here. No, oh yeah, here's the sensor. So basically, this is the sensor to make it go active noise cancellation. Because if you're actually to cover that, it would actually. I'm sorry, I lied. I think it's this one. Oh, this is it. Yeah, sorry, I lied. This is not the sensor. This is a sensor like to let you know, hey, your AirPods are in, so we're gonna put active noise cancellation. And honestly, they fit great. I feel hopefully it doesn't go into activation. So if you're a fan, I know that everybody's probably talking about what should I get? Should I get the AirPods 4 or the AirPods Pro 2? And that's like the $1 billion question that I personally dealing with. But luckily my buddy was able to lend me these to try out and well he's great. um honestly, the fit is awesome. Like it usually with other AirPods or when you actually yawn or make your mind without open, these AirPods seem to stay in and not bug out. So the fit is great. The fit is amazing. I cannot emphasize how great these are. The AirPods Pro 2, I'm not a big fan of like having like silicone in my ear, so or the earbuds themselves. But the way that Apple did this is amazing. The only thing I wish they had done is make the bass better. But I mean, I understand you're not gonna get the best of it, but having these are great. I feel that these are great for going on walks or casually just basically I don't know, just like literally I'm twisting my head, going up and down, I'm yawning, and they seem to be in a still position, which I like versus having another type of usually with the AirPod Pros, they seem to just uh, basically like pop out, which has been an issue. So we also get the wireless headphones with charging case, compatible with USB-C, Apple Watch key certified chargers, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. USB-C cable sold separately. That's kind of a bummer. It shouldn't be that way. They should just include it, but I know they're trying to go green or whatever. Um, but yeah, overall, I will keep. It's not clear and crisp. I feel like it's like but man, this the fit on it's amazing. I'm just hearing it right now again, but I can tell. Let me see. Um, even without the noise cancellation and with the noise cancellation, I think they're both the same. If anything, I think the off. So there's um for some reason the off, I hear more bass than with the noise cancellation on. Oh wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. I think it's confused, but that's crazy right now. What's funny right now that I did do right now is the fact that I turned off noise cancellation and the bass seems to be better, which is weird, which it shouldn't be that way. But man, I just like always, ladies and gentlemen, we get pros and cons. We need to find an in between. Hopefully, Apple can make an in between. But um, this is a great take that Apple actually listen to people. That we have an option without the Q-tips and having that direct ear contact, which is fine and better. And I just I feel this is great. I mean, like usually my head earphones would pop off, and they seem to not be. They seem to be. This would be great. Like if you like laying in bed, taking a walk, falling asleep to headphones, this is perfect. Like there's no silicone in your ear that's gonna like jam into your ear and stuff. These are great. I'm gonna basically try them for a couple of days and see how I feel about them. But either way, thank my buddy for letting me unboxing. That's great. Um, yeah, and I'll give it back to him as soon as I'm done. But overall, this is great. Honestly, should you buy it with the active noise cancellation or not? I'm hearing more bass with the off rather than the active noise cancellation. And that's pretty sad. Maybe they target it towards people that are. I mean, see, I'm turning on the active noise cancellation right now, so I can hear my own voice, which everything just blares out. But I'm turning it off, and I can hear everything. So my opinion right now for you guys is basically, um, I would not get the active noise cancellation only if you're like I'll take that back. I would get the active noise cancellation if you're gonna study, like in a library. I mean, in a loud place, it would be better. But if you're just gonna listen to music, honestly, I would prefer just the regular without the active noise cancellation. The noise cancellation blocks a little bit of it. I can still hear like, but not as much as with the off. I just turned it off right now. I can hear my fridge, but honestly, these sound better without the active noise cancellation for music. So once again, I'm playing through like regular music store it on my phone, and it's great. So the big question is, once again, should you get AirPods Pros 2 or AirPods Pro 4 active noise cancellation? Between those two, I'd say get the AirPods Pros 2. They have more bass, it has more treble, it has more rich to it. Plus, the funny part right now, as of November 10th, 2024, they're both the same price. If anything, $10 more for the AirPods Pro 2. Honestly, it's worth it. It comes with the wire. The AirPods Pro 2, they come with the wire. This doesn't. This is just, I understand they're trying to make like a little bit more, but this is, I would say this is, keep it as a backup. If you were to buy these pair, these would be a great backup in case. But as far as, doing engineering, music, if you want to hear the hidden, smallest little things in your music when you're producing, when you're doing anything, the Pros are a way to go. So I'd recommend that. All right, guys, that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that, oh look, they're bringing back the removable battery. I hope that helps you answer your question, because I'm always curious about what Apple does with these devices. Overall, I did like the AirPods 3. I don't know if you saw the unboxing video, but these are similar to the AirPods 3, but way more ergonomically great. So the hardest choice of me having to do with this is basically fit versus music. So that's going to be a big problem for many users, that we feel that would be it. And once again, there's no button on it, so that's a kind of a huge problem. But yeah, overall, like I said, these are great fit, but you're sacrificing music. Small too, it's portable, you can put it in your pocket, but you're sacrificing sound for comfort, and that's one of the biggest problems. And I'm gonna say like now how it is. All right, guys, thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm not one of those YouTube people where they just like, I'm honest when it comes to these kind of things, and versus I'm not going to show you like a heavily edited video of like how to properly have this stuff and all that. I'm just a regular user, like a regular AirPod user, just like everybody else. But yeah, all right, guys, well, I hope you have a good day, and it's almost holidays, but yeah, I would wait on these, or I would get the regular ones, because these really don't pose any different to compare to the AirPods for regular noise cancellation or regular AirPods. So yeah, guys, drop the comments below, see what actually drop the comments below if you receive this for Christmas or any other holiday, Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving. Let me know, what do you think of it? Did you keep this, or did they buy your AirPod Pros too? Other than that, y'all have a good day or night or evening or Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.